Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Myself Richa Shrivastava. I am your science teacher. I am going to start the revision of chapter 5 today, that is soil. So in this chapter, children, I want to give a quick recap that are important for the revision work for the examination purpose. So there are certain important topics of this chapter, and these are soil. What is soil? Soil profile, soil erosion, and soil conservation. So these are some basic topics which have to be revised, I think, and it is important and it will give a great help in the preparation of the exam. So first thing that I will explain you again is soil. So you know children, soil is the topmost layer of the earth which contains the microorganism and certain animals also. All the plants and all the living organisms are found on the top layer of the soil. It is the most fertile layer, and certain gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, the nitrogen, these are also found in this top layer. So first thing, that how this top layer or how the soil is made up of, or how they are made. So basically in the ancient time, you know, the bigger rocks are found on the earth, and these bigger rocks are converted into the smaller pieces by the action of sunlight, water and air or wind. So by the action of wind, water and sunlight, these bigger rocks are converted into smaller pieces and in the powder form. This process is known as weathering, and by the weathering the rocks are converted into the powdered soil. So we can say that by the weathering we will get, or we can get, the soil. This soil is good and fertile for the growth and for the development of the plants, as well as this is the home for all the animals. There are certain smaller animals like rabbits, snakes, moles, and some microorganisms are also found. Some bacteria are also found in this layer. Gravel, sand and pebbles, these are humus. These are the part of the soil. The most important point is humus, which we will discuss again in this revision. So now the next point is soil profile. As you know children, there are three layers of the soil, or we can divide the soil into three layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. So topsoil is what? Topsoil is the most upper layer, which is very nutritious and fertile, and most of the plants and animals are found in this topsoil. Humus is the material or substance which make this layer fertile, and this humus is made by the dead remains of plants and animals. So this humus actually makes the or increase the fertility of the soil. The next layer is subsoil, which contains less amount of humus, less amount of water and gases, and they have bigger particles of rocks. Now the next layer below the layer of the bedrock, the last layer is bedrock. This bedrock actually is least amount of water. It contains the least amount of water, and it having a bigger size rocks. So this is the soil profile. Now the next point of this chapter is soil erosion. So children, you know, soil erosion actually is the process by which the fertility of the soil is removed or reduced, and this fertility is reduced by the action of wind or running water. So we can say that running water or moving air reduces the top layer fertility by removing the topsoil. Okay, so this is known as soil erosion. So wearing off or carrying of the topsoil by the action of wind or water is known as soil erosion, and this is very harmful for the farming as well as for the growth of the microorganism and the plantation. plants and animals. We can reduce the soil erosion by different means, and we all are responsible for the soil erosion. Like animals as well as human activities are responsible for the soil erosion. The next point, or the opposite point of the soil erosion, is soil conservation. This is the soil conservation, which means the protection of the soil. The protection of the soil against the soil erosion is known as soil conservation. So soil conservation will be done by the different means, or we can protect our soil by different techniques, like the terrace farming, like the barricade making, like the embankment. So these are the things by which we can protect our topsoil, or we can stop soil erosion. So this is all about a quick recap of this chapter 5, soil. Hopefully you all have understood. So after this recap, we will start our worksheet, and now I'm going to give your worksheet. So all the very best, and do the revision properly. So children, this is your worksheet of chapter 5, soil. There are 4 questions. Question number 1, name the following. Question 2, define the term. Question 3, answer the following questions. And question 4 is diagrammatic question. So first question is name the following, in which there are 5 questions. In this question, name the following, you have to write down only the names directly. 3 components of soil, the most fertile layer of the soil, 2 agents responsible for soil erosion, 2 human activities that causes soil erosion, the part of plants which hold the soil together. So these are the questions in which you have to write down directly the answer. Question number 2 is define these terms. This is the keywords. Keyword. Define these terms. These terms are keyword. Humus, soil erosion and soil conservation. This is the question number 2, in which you have to write the definition of these terms. After that, question number 3 is answer the following questions. This is a long answer type question. There are 3 questions given. First is what is weathering? You have to write down about the weathering. What are the advantages and disadvantages? If you know, then you can write. Second question, what is soil made up of? How the soil made up of? What are the important contents or the components of the soil? You have to write down here. Question number 3, what is the importance of humus? Humus, why the humus is important and what is humus? So this is the long answer type question. Now the last question is a diagrammatic question, in which you have to make a diagram, colorful label diagram of a soil profile. So I hope children you all have understood the worksheet. So please do it, and after completing this worksheet, send me the answers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.